In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to resize images in Canva with a simple tutorial that will guide you step by step. Whether you're a beginner at using Canva or just looking to polish up your design skills, this tutorial will help you gain confidence and enhance your image editing prowess. First, let's begin by heading over to Canva on your web browser. If you don't already have a Canva account, it's quick and free to sign up. Once you're logged in, familiarize yourself with the home interface. You'll see a variety of templates and options to choose from depending on your project needs. Next, it's time to select the file that contains the image you want to resize. You can either choose a pre-existing design from your projects, or start with a blank canvas and upload an image from your computer or another source. Click on your chosen file to open it up in the editor. This will allow you to make changes to any of the elements present in your design. Now let's focus on our target image. Simply click on the image you wish to resize. You'll notice a border appearing around it, which indicates that it's ready to be edited. Take a moment here, if you haven't already, to tweak other settings like position or apply any filters you might see fit, just to ensure your image aligns with your design goals. With the image selected, you should see small handles appear around the border, including a special handle in the form of a circle. This circular icon is typically found at one of the corners of the image. By clicking and dragging this circle, you can resize the image to your desired dimensions. Remember, dragging the handle while holding the shift key can help maintain the image's aspect ratio, ensuring that it doesn't get stretched out or distorted. While you adjust, pay close attention to the size and orientation of your image. It might take a bit of back and forth to get things just right. If you're wanting your image to fit into a specific dimension or space within your design, use the grid lines and positioning guides that Canva provides to help you place the image precisely. Once you're happy with the size and position of your image, double check over your entire design to make sure everything looks aligned and visually pleasing. Review the project and make any additional edits necessary, adjusting other elements in your composition if needed for harmony. That's all there is to it. Resizing images in Canva can be incredibly easy, and with these steps you'll have an efficient workflow that enhances both creativity and productivity. Be sure to experiment with different sizes and compositions to see what works best for your project. Remember, practice makes perfect, and the more you use these skills, the better you'll get at creating impressive designs. Thanks for watching, and happy designing.